All right, this is the Monday, August 7th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Let's start with a couple of live cameras here from across the region. There's the Greensboro Tower camera as we start the day. Rain moving through parts of the region this morning as we have a warm front lifting on through. There's the Dowd YMCA camera taking a peek toward a wet uptown Charlotte this morning as well, as we've had this warm front generating some areas of rain and thunderstorm activity. In fact, it's 100% relative humidity with that rain that's been occurring around Charlotte as I cut the video, and of course I'm cutting the video as normally during the 5 o'clock hour. Highs yesterday, pretty hot in some spots, but the humidity was pretty low in a good chunk of the region. 90 the high in Charlotte, 94 though in Fayetteville, 93 in Columbia, mid and upper 80s across the Triad viewing area. Had some 90s involved there across the Charlotte metro, especially Charlotte and points eastward as we went through yesterday. Now there's the radar this morning, and again we have this warm front that's our main weather player that's moving through, causing these areas of rain and thunderstorm activity. And again, some of this activity has been relatively heavy. You see the shadings of yellow and orange. That's where the rain has been coming down at a pretty good clip as we've gone through the course this morning, and more off to the west. But what we'll see happen is I think in the Carolinas, this massive rain and storms this morning, a bit of a midday lull, and then we'll see an afternoon round of showers and thunderstorms. So in the wake of this passing warm front later this morning, I believe we're looking at a bit of a quiet go of it through the midday hours. Could see a couple showers, but then a renewed thunderstorm chance working in here later this afternoon and on into this evening. So an unsettled weather day. Here's the high-resolution future radar product focus here on the region. There goes the morning massive rain. In the wake of it, there's your afternoon activity developing, and we'll watch the severe weather potential. It is not a great threat of severe weather, but there could be a couple storms that produce some damaging winds. And even along this warm front lifting northward, maybe an isolated tornado threat, although I think that's mainly focused up toward Virginia, but something to keep an eye on nonetheless. All right, we get on into your highs today. Looks like that across the region. Now tomorrow it's really a challenging forecast. Tomorrow and Wednesday depends on the exact placement of this front. I'm going to leave in the chance for a few showers and thunderstorms for Tuesday with highs that look like that, and then Wednesday some models want to bring in more rain, such as the RPM here wants to bring in some rain for Wednesday. Other models are completely dry, so I'm going to go with the idea of maybe just a couple showers or storms Wednesday, but chances on the decrease now until we get toward a late week once we get past today. Now in terms of rain totals over the next few days, there's what Futurecast is indicating. I think this is the right general idea. A lot of 1 to 2 inch rain totals with the spots that really cash in on multiple rounds of rain. Could see 2 or 3 plus inches here or there. Now late week, as we get into Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I think we're back to better chances for scattered thunderstorms again. So basically the idea here is a bit of a lull in the activity Tuesday and Wednesday, maybe Thursday too, but then by Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we increase the rain chances once again. All right, in the tropics, first of all, still watching this tropical wave out here in the Atlantic Ocean. It is no better organized this morning than it has been over the past day or two. We'll watch that. Some models want to spin that up as it gets toward the western Atlantic. But here's our classified system. This is Tropical Storm Franklin. Franklin, as I cut the video, with 45 mile per hour sustained winds. This will move to the Yucatan Peninsula coast tonight, maybe as a strong tropical storm. The convection certainly looks healthy this morning. It then crosses the Yucatan, weakens to some extent, and then the window of opportunity is open for additional strengthening down in the southern Gulf of Mexico and the Bay of Campeche. In fact, you take a look here at the European model. It really wants to take this system off in intensity down there in the Bay of Campeche. So by the time this makes its second landfall in the Mexico mainland there, it might be a hurricane. It's a possibility. Back closer to home, hey, big sports week. The PGA Championship out at Quail Hollow coming up. Again, it's not going to be a washout, I don't think, but certainly cannot rule out some areas of showers and thunderstorms at times. So the basic idea here is if you're headed out there for the PGA Championship, just take what rain gear you can with you and just be aware there might be some delays here and there. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.